Okay, so we have a physics question that says find the length of the simple pendulum. A simple pendulum, it is just a simple setup which consists of the fixed structure, the string, and the bulb there. In simple terms, this diagram helps us to understand the gravitational force or field which is acting on the object. I'm talking about the force which causes the object to fall here. Now, when they say the length is given by this formula. You say length of the simple pendulum, it is equal to length of the string, you say plus half of the what of the bulb there, like this. So now, length is equal to length of the string, meaning this one, length of the string, and then you say half of the length of the bulb, this one. So now you say equal to, what is the length of the string? It is 10 meters. You put 10 meters here. You say plus, you put half. What is the length of the bulb? It is 4. Meaning from here up to here, it is 4 like this. So 2 here, 1, 2 there, 2. So I'm going to remain with the 10 meters plus what? 2 meters, which will give me 12 meters as the answer.